make a left turn at the yield sign, which means just slow it down like it was a big speed bump here or something. Just give you enough time to check left and right before you proceed. And then you let the wheel slide. Yeah. Okay, we'll make a left turn on, what is that, Kenwood. So you go to Macjack. How do you like it?
I like it there.
Yeah. And grade are you in?
11.
11.
Just keep going straight?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So on the road test, when you go for your road test, if they don't say anything at all, just assume they want you to go straight.
Okay.
And we'll do the same thing. So we'll turn left here. And it's going to be your first left turn on Eaglestone coming up right over there. Awesome. I think you're going to make my job easy there, Mia. So we'll do the right thing here. We'll go counterclockwise. Oh, good. Got some deep snow. No, I guess they already carved a path here for you. When you're going through the deep snow, give her some gas. Push that gas. Yeah. Push it harder. Because it's trying to find some ground, right? The wheels will spin a little bit. We have the steel studded tires on here, so it's got teeth.
Okay.
We're going to make a right turn. So here in this case here, the stopping position is right at the edge of the snowbank. But you can already start steering to the right, so you hug the snowbank. Yeah, so the front left corner of your bumper is lined up right at the edge of the road, basically, because there's no line, there's no sidewalk. You're allowed to stop past the stop sign.
Okay.
At the point where you can see better. And we'll turn left at the stop sign. And in this case here again, there's no visible line. And
So right at the edge of the snowbank?
yeah, right where the two roads meet. So the front bumper is right at the edge of this road here. Yeah, that's perfect. And complete stop. You feel that little kickback in your seat? Mm-hmm. That's evidence to the examiners that you've come to a full stop. If they don't feel a slight little kickback like that, they're going to think you're rolling.
Yeah.
So, and that little kickback is the first second, and then you count 1, 2, or left, right. That's a full 3-second stop.
Okay.
So it's kickback, 1, 2 before you proceed.